How to remove retouch in Lensa. So you have used the Lensa Magic Retouch, but now you want to go back to the original look. It's actually super simple. First things first, let's open the Lensa app. Now once you're inside, tap on the photo that you have edited earlier. I have edited the first one. Let's tap on it and wait for a while. Once you're inside it, you will see this type of interface. Now you will be seeing our tools at the bottom of screen. Simply scroll it and there we can see an option called skin, which is the one that we are going to use. Simply tap on it and here you can see the changes I have made. So as we are going to remove the retouch, simply slide it to the left and make it 0. And here I have changed the skin tone to simply make it neutral like this. And that's it. Your photo is now free from the face retouching effect. Pretty simple, right? What other quick Lensa tips do you want to say? Drop them in the comments below. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.